Hi, in today's video I'm gonna talk to you about how to fix your handle on your Whirlpool refrigerator. Hello again. So I had a little problem that I already fixed, but I want to show you how you can fix it yourself. This is the Whirlpool refrigerator, and for about a year or two I had a situation where this handle was coming off almost probably 1/8 of an inch. What happens is that the bolt that holds this handle gets loosened up by opening and closing the door all the time. So I already couldn't do anything, so I was jiggling it up and down to loosen it up, and finally I was able to get it out. Let me show you how to do it. So when you have the handle, you need to move it to, I believe, to the right. So I need to go and push it all the way to the right until it gets out of the tracks. This is the biggest problem that I had. So let me show you how this part looks like so you can figure out yourself. So this is where the bolt goes in through this big hole, and then when you push it this way it gets locked in that little groove right here. My problem was that there is this part on the inside that was sticking out too much, so when the head of the bolt was trying to go this way, it was getting caught on this metal part. On the other side, as you can see, that metal piece sits much lower, so I was able to slide it in and out much better. So when I fixed it, I took those two screws out and I pushed that piece a little bit lower, so now I can easily adjust it in and out. So remember, when you're gonna have it on a refrigerator, you have to, so you're gonna have your bolt sitting right here, and all you have to do is just push it to the right so it will come out. Okay, and then you put it again through the bolt, push it this way until it gets locked. This is the close-up of the bolt that was loose, so it was really sticking out probably good 1/8, so I had to go and tied it up. So as you can see now, all I have to do is just line those two holes, and then I have to push it in until it locks through this groove. So I'm gonna show you again. So I'm gonna line those two holes on both sides, and then all I have to do is just push this until it clicks. The problem is gone. Now you can open it and close without any problems. So hopefully you're gonna be able to fix it by yourself. If you have any questions, send me an email. I'll be more than happy to help you. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like my video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe. Thanks for watching again. Goodbye.